Simplest AI applications out there I've seen so far. Not gonna lie, layouts look good and it looks very simple and easy to use. So as you can see here, this is pretty much the home screen of the application, and here you pretty much enter your prompt to generate your videos. And as well down here you see other popular prompts that been trending on the social media. As you can see here, you have the bear and the monkey trend. You have this trend here as well, as you can see here. And you have other trends as well, animals, even kids and so forth. A lot of different trends you see on social media. You can pretty much see prompt for it on this application here. So for example, this one here, which is very, very popular, you can tap on the try prompt option and it will give you the prompt. So, and as well, you can tap on the inspiration if you don't have anything in mind. As you can see here, you can select until you find something that you want. As well, the graphics and the setup of the videos, you can see here, a lot of different models which you can use. Sorac 2, Veo 3.1, Clean AI, as you can see, guys. But as well, I do recommend selecting on the auto option. We'll select the best option based on your prompt. And I think this is a great thing, honestly. As you can see here, depending on the video, guys, depending on the model, I should say, it will require, as you can see, Sorac 2 is going to require 5 credits. Let me see, Clean AI 2.5, 1 credit, Clean 2.6, 6 credits. So do keep in mind the amount of credits going to be required for you to generate these videos. And let me tell you, you can pretty much go ahead and purchase credit. I'm going to show you guys later on in the video. However, as you can see here, once you have selected every one of those options, you just tap on generate video, and you're pretty much good to go. So I won't be able to show you guys because I don't have any credits or anything like that, but you can go in the generate image to video section as well. You can just upload an image here, you can use that reference, and as well you're going to need your prompt. So you can go in the video section as well, but nothing much. That's pretty much different from the image to video option. And as you can see there, just upload your picture and you pretty much get it to video. So you're going to use the image as a reference, I should say. So that's really pretty much it for the photo generation section. Now, here you'll be able to enter your prompt, as you can see here, and as well select the model that you want to use. As you can see, you have ChatGPT. You have a lot of pretty much the popular ones that you guys all know. And as well, you can select the aspect ratio as it relates to the image. So that's really pretty much it for that there. And as well, if you don't have anything in mind, you can always edit it here or select something that you want. And as well, if you need to edit anything at all in your photos, you can pretty much use this photo editing feature. Just upload your image and pretty much enter what you want to edit in that photo, which is very, very powerful. And as well, you can tap on this option here, select the model that you want to use. So nothing much for that there, and you won't need the inspiration option. So that's pretty much it for that there. And the templates, pretty much the same thing that I've explained to you guys already. Pretty much expression, nothing much than just some templates which you can use to transform yourself into a jungle master or some crazy stuff like that. So nothing much for that there. And in the profile section, this is pretty much where you go and to get your coins to generate your video. So you're going to need coins to generate a video. You can tap on this option here to go ahead and purchase your coins. As you can see here, this is pretty much how much it costs for coins and so forth. So to get your subscription, as you can see here, tap on the pro option at the top here and be able to get your subscription, and as well you can see what you'll be getting with their subscription and pretty much the prices and everything. And do keep in check with the amount of credits that you'll be getting as well. So that's really pretty much it for that there. And if I miss anything at all the videos and images generated from this application will show in this section here in the profile section. So that's really pretty much it for this application. And if I missed anything at all, let me know in the comment section. and I'll see you guys in the next video.